Okay, so we need to write in scientific notation. So just as a reminder, the first number has to be between 1 and 10, right? Less than 10 and right greater than or equal to 1. So we have to put the decimal point. So I'm just going to write these numbers, right? 370, So we have to put the decimal point here to make it between 1 and 10, right? 3.7. And then we count how far we need to move that to the right? So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So this means that in scientific notation, it's 3.7 times 10 to the 8th. The next one is 7,600, so it's the same thing, right? We need to put the decimal place so it's between 1 and 10. So 7.6 is clearly between 1 and 10. And now we count to get it back to where it was. 1, 2, 3, right? Gets it back to where we were. So this one becomes 7.6 times 10 to the 3rd in scientific notation.